Today, we celebrate not only the turnover of chairs, but also the spirit of generosity, compassion, and shared responsibility for the education of learners.
When the 10-year anniversary started last September, we wanted to celebrate by giving something meaningful to the children, and we wanted you guys to dream bigger. Sana magamit itong mga upuan na to, not just for sitting, pero for learning, imagining, and for building your future. Naniniwala kami na meron kayong mga pangarap at makakabit ito para sa inyo lahat. On behalf of Save the Children, natutuwa po kami na we have this opportunity. Ngayon, meron kayo maninibay at gawa sa recycled materials.
Naway magsilbi itong mga upuan bilang paalala na maraming tao ang naniniwala sa inyong mga pangarap. Gamitin ninyo ito ng may pag-iingat at may inspirasyon upang mas guminhawa ang inyong pagkatuto.
Sa araw-araw niyong pagpupuntan, sana one step kayo closer to achieve your dreams.